Well, hello, trader nerds. Welcome into a fabulous Monday. Hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful day. Real traders never trade alone. They trade with their fellow nerds. We got Ben in the house, DB, Dwayne, we got Hal, we got iPhone, we got Jim B, we got Make the 111 Great Again. We got Mike in the house, we got Mo, and we got Stefan. Hey, y'all. It is amazing of what is going on in the market. And here's the thing. Most of our analysis doesn't make sense because it's a binary event. So anything that I say that we think is going to happen in the market is not necessarily true because we have market manipulation, so to speak. Uh, and it's being manipulated by Mr. Donald J. Trump. And remember, I am a Trump supporter, but it is really, 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 really something what is going on in the market. So we have been down like 4%, almost 5%. And now the E-minis is down almost 2%. NASDAQ down 1.65%. And it is a mess. VIX, y'all, is at 50. Wow. AD is negative 367. It has been as low as negative 497, and AD has been as high as 401. We have rumors, and buy the rumors, sell the news, so to speak, types of days. So, y'all, look, we're right at the 15-minute opening range on the E-minis. Look at that. See that there? And we are above VWAP, believe it or not, above VWAP and down 2%. In what language does that make sense? Let's go to our big green monster, see if the big green monster will tell us anything. And our big green monster, well, look at there. Um, Look at this, y'all. Wow, waka waka, look at that. There's rumors that Trump was going to delay the tariffs for 15 for what 90 days or something, and then that turned out not to be true, and then the market popped back out. But look at this, y'all. We are fairly priced. We are fairly priced, and we have a little bit of support down here. So, maybe the support will work. But then when you get these really big news events and everything, it doesn't matter, does it? It really doesn't matter. But we are fairly priced and maybe a little bit of support at the 4995. Let's look at the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ looks fairly priced. Look at there. It's at the 50% zone. Look at this, how that kind of caught that there. That's amazing, isn't it? We see what we want to see, though, with our little charts. Let's look at the linear regression. Linear regression doesn't show us much of anything. Remember, we had an area of resistance there. Resistance became support, and then Liberation Day, and it was a free fall. And now look what we've got. We've got an indecisive doji. We just don't know what's happening. We don't know whether we need to go up. We don't need to know whether we go down. We just have a doji of indecision. Unbelievable. Let's look at my count. We are doing good because the only thing that I have, we're up $1,500 on the day. And the reason is, and we're at 63,976. We're doing fine because the only thing that we have is Bill in the E-minis because I wasn't a dummy. I got out of my TQQ the other day. So we just have 10 days left on our hedges. It's almost like I need to take these shorts off, but because we do have a valley of death that I need to look at. But the E-minis are at 5,017, and these are way down here in the 3,900s, 3,400s, and all of that. So we should be fine. Let's see how big of a hedge we do have. So let's move this to today, which is the 7th. So we've got a $28,000 hedge. So no, oh my goodness, we got a $40,000 hedge. Look at that. Let's make sure that looks good. Let's see, points 40% down, 20. Yeah, so we got a nice hedge, but we've only got it for 13 days. And that's what Mike said. He said, I'm all out of Sweet Bobby hedges. It's hard, y'all, to buy a hedge with VIX at 50, right? If you haven't already bought your hedge, it's hard because the VIX is at 50. All right. So I am hedged at least for 13 days. I got to make a decision how long I want to stay in the hedge and when do I rip the cord off and take the profits. And it may be soon. So we'll see what's happening. So that's it, y'all. We don't know. The best thing to know is it's indecisive doji. We don't know what's going to happen. I love you to pieces. Hope you all take care of the markets, and I will see y'all tomorrow.